Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you're tired of those nasty fruit flies flying around your trash cans or potted plants, and even around your kitchen sink, you may want to try a simple yellow sticky trap. It can pack a punch when getting rid of a variety of insects such as fruit flies. Fruit flies are drawn to yellow sticky traps because the color resembles ripe fruits, which they are naturally attracted to. Place them near fruit bowls, trash cans, or areas where fruit flies are commonly found. Fungus gnats. Fungus gnats are small flies that are often found around houseplants. They are attracted to moist soil and decaying plant matter, and they can be lured by the yellow color of sticky traps. White flies. White flies are tiny, sap-sucking insects that are often found on indoor plants. The yellow color of the sticky traps mimics the color of leaves and flowers, attracting these pests. Aphids. Aphids are also attracted to yellow. While they are typically found on plants, they might be lured by yellow sticky traps if placed near infested indoor plants. Thrips. Thrips are tiny insects that feed on plants by puncturing and sucking up plant cells. They are attracted to yellow, which makes sticky traps an effective tool. Moths. Moths are not attracted to yellow, but they are attracted to white light. If you hang the yellow sticky traps from white lights, moths will fly into them and won't be able to get loose. Mosquitoes. Sticky trap labels may mention mosquitoes, but the truth is, mosquitoes are not attracted to yellow. The only way you will catch one on sticky tape is if it flies directly into it. Flies. Flies are another insect that is not attracted to yellow. In fact, yellow is its least favorite color, but it is attracted to bright light. So to catch a fly with a yellow sticky trap, you need to place it on a bright light or along a window. Here are some places for your yellow sticky traps where you will have the best success in catching pests. Position. The sticky traps just above the plant canopy, because most insects will fly around the leaves. Place traps on stakes and insert them into the soil near the base of the plants. Place near fruit bowls, garbage bins, or compost containers. Place near windows, lamps, or other light sources. Near doorways or entry points. Avoid placing traps next to drafts, such as fans, vents, or areas with strong air currents. Some benefits of using yellow sticky traps as part of your pest control are: number 1, yellow sticky traps are chemical-free, making them a safer alternative to pesticides, especially in homes with children, pets, or sensitive plants. Number 2, environmental impact. Since they don't rely on chemical insecticides, these traps are environmentally friendly and don't contribute to pesticide resistance or pollution. Number 3, these traps can be used both indoors and outdoors in gardens or near entry points. Number 4, Sticky traps are easy to use. Simply peel off the protective cover and place them where pests are active. Number 5. Once placed, sticky traps require minimal upkeep. You only need to replace them when they are full of insects or lose their stickiness. Number 6. Sticky traps are generally inexpensive, making them a cost-effective solution for pest control and monitoring. The biggest downfall of using yellow sticky traps is that they only catch insects that come into direct contact with the strip. All in all, using sticky tabs in your home or outside is a safe, effective way to get rid of flying insects both in your home and outside. Please note, any products mentioned are linked below. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.